Airsoft HD.
Hey everyone, Ryan here, and I got time to share one quick recent comment. It comes at us from Mr. Dirtbiker 308. He writes, "You are like a fat kid liking an ice cream, but it's not ice cream. You are like a fat kid buying airsoft guns." Well put. Couldn't have said it any better myself. And with that being done, we're going to get to the unboxing. In front of me, I have an Evike Box of Awesomeness Black Friday edition, and across the table, I have an Airsoft GI Battlestar Mysterybox version 13. Now, normally, I would just open both boxes myself, but that tires my arms out too bad. So I invited a special guest
It's me!
to help me out today. You ready to do this?
Let's do this!
Alright. Whoa, take it easy there. Oh, t-shirt, sweet. And inside, I have a G36. Nice. What do you think about that? Alright, I have a pretty sweet. I also have BBs and some other goodies. A&K SVD here. Nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out our Facebook page. And until next time. Today we have time for one comment, and it comes at us from Mr. Dirtbiker 308.
Hey everyone, Ryan
Whoa, whoa,
here.
whoa! Get back down there, you cock!
No. God.
I never let the water run. No, I never let the water run.
And they